How to fix Google Assistant no reply issues. Voice assistants have made life much easier. Google Assistant is a solid contender and has performed relatively well. From finding the best restaurants near you to opening apps, Google Assistant has an answer for everything, well, almost everything. One of the problems that have been observed in Google Assistant recently is that it does not reply to your queries out loud. Instead, it displays the message as a text response. For those of you out there who have been enjoying the fact interacting with Google Assistant is almost like talking to a real person, this will certainly sound like a downer. You will definitely make progress on getting around this issue by reading further ahead. Restart your device. The old school mantra of IT is a classic because it actually works for a lot of things. While it is not guaranteed to fix the problem, there is a very good chance that the issue might just get resolved by simply restarting your device. Clear cache. If restarting your phone didn't fix the issue for you, the next thing that you should try is to clear the cache from your Google app. Step 1. Open the device settings and then go to apps/application manager/apps and notifications. Step 2. Under the option called All Apps, click on Google followed by Storage. Step 3. Now hit the button called Clear Cache. Clicking on Clearing Cache will not delete any data from your device. Your data will not be deleted unless you click on Clear Data/Clear Storage. Step 4. Back to this all-time favorite, restart your device. You should now try to strike up a conversation with Google Assistant again. Check input mode. There is a chance that you yourself might be responsible for Google Assistant not talking to you. Might be yourself. Because of how distracting it can be when Google Assistant speaks out loud when you are in a public place, there is an option available in Google Assistant that allows you to communicate with Google Assistant using something other than your voice, and that is typing. You have the option of typing in your queries and getting responses from your Google Assistant in the form of text responses. One of the reasons that Google Assistant is not communicating with you might be because you might have changed your preferred input mode to type. If you wish to hear your answers, you will have to change this to voice. If you want to do this, you will need to follow the steps given below. Step 1. Launch the Google Assistant app and then click on the Explore icon. Step 2. Once you get to the Explore screen, click on the three-dot icon that is on the top right corner and then choose Settings from the menu. Step 3. Click on the option called Phone. Step 4. Go to the option called Preferred Input and choose it. From the menu that pops up, select Voice. Turn on Speech Output. Google has two options under Speech Output, On and Hands-Free Only. If you wish to listen to answers, you will need to pick On. You will not be able to hear anything if you have picked Hands-Free Only. Turning up the media volume, updating the apps, or launching the assistant with an OK Google command might also do the trick when it comes to dealing with an unresponsive Google Assistant. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.